I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite zero waste swaps to take with me on the go. My first swap is to avoid single-use coffee cups and instead go with a reusable to-go cup. Each year, roughly 500 billion coffee cups are produced worldwide. Disposable cups are lined with a mixture of paper and plastic in order to make them heat and leak-proof. It requires special plants to recycle these lined cups, so nearly 99% of them do not get recycled. One of my favorites is the Carter Everywhere mug. I love that it's double insulated, so it keeps your drinks super hot or super cold, whatever works for you. And you can easily just throw it in your bag without having to worry about it leaking. I know sometimes it can be hard to bring your own reusable cup, but there are a lot of places now that are actually starting to take them again, and there are some coffee shops you can find that will actually sanitize the cups for you and then still use them. If you want something super lightweight to pop in your bag, Stojo has a great option. They're collapsible cups that can easily go in your bag, and then when you need them, you can simply pull them out. This cup can fold up and practically take up no space, which I love because that means I can always have a reusable cup with me when I'm on the go. An easy swap is to replace non-stick pans that often contain harmful chemicals with either stainless steel or cast iron skillets. Most non-stick pans only last about 2 years, and so once you're done and you throw them out, they're just gonna go straight to landfill. But what I love about cast iron skillets specifically is that over time, as you season them and you have oils in it, it actually becomes non-stick. So it's a great alternative to a non-stick pan that is emitting toxic chemicals into your food. So I opt for cast iron and stainless steel, which are natural materials, which are great for cooking either low heat or high heat. Stainless steel and cast iron skillets can actually last for generations if they're cared for properly. The less items you're bringing into your home and the less items you're purchasing, it's just saving you money, and it's also cutting down on waste. Great cleaning alternative is to ditch the toilet cleaner that comes in a plastic container and just make your own DIY toilet bombs. Toilet bowl cleaners come in these big plastic bottles, and not only are the plastic bottles bad for the environment, but also the chemicals inside these cleaners are bad for you and for the planet as well. So what you have to do is mix together baking soda, citric acid, and dish soap to form a paste. Then transfer the mixture into a silicone ice cube tray and let it sit for 4 hours. And then that's it. You can store them however you like. I would recommend using a glass jar, and then you can just keep it under your bathroom sink, and then you can just pop one out whenever you need it.